YouTube? It's your girl lasheavibez coming to you with another Curlbox video. This is the first time you ran across my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In this video, I will be sharing with you this was the December specialty Curlbox. Yes, I'm still catching up on product reviews. I think this is going to be it for the month of December as far as the Curlbox product reviews. This is going to be the December 2020 Curlbox. This is a specialty box or non-subscription box. If you're not familiar with Curlbox, what Curlbox is, it's a monthly subscription where you pay $20 a month. Well, I know I'm still paying $20, but I know they're going to possibly have a price increase, or there will be a price increase to $25. I spoke about that in my first video of the year. I'll leave that link below if you want to check that out and why they're going to be doing a price increase, which I think is totally fine. It's still absolutely worth it. But it's $20 a month, $5 shipping. You can receive anywhere between 5 to 6 hair care products. Sometimes it can contains things like accessories or stylers and things like that. It just makes for a great style day, great wash day, great color day. I did recently do December's Curlbox, their subscription box. They are as Curls Unleashed Color Blast. I'll leave that link if you would like to check that video out. Curlbox has some amazing products for the price. If you're a product junkie, you love to try different products, or newly natural, just natural, not even natural, it's a great way to get great products that you may have not even heard of or thought of buying on the low. I was so excited about this box to give it a try. In the December specialty box, they have specialty boxes where you don't have to be subscribed. When you receive the Curlbox on a subscription, you're billed on a recurring basis, to where with the non-subscription boxes, as this one is, you can just go on and purchase. So if you're interested, I will leave the box website below in the description box if you want to check that out. December Curlbox, it features my girl Gabrielle Union, and it is featuring her Flawless hair care line. Each Curlbox comes with this really cute brochure to let you know what's in the box, and this Curlbox is called Flawless. So I was so excited to try these products. When I seen them, I was like, wow. And then when I seen the price, it was only $20. I didn't even pay shipping. If I did, I'll leave it below. Hurry up and purchase the box. And the box came with, we have a total of 5 hair care products here. Let me ask the question. When you watch product reviews, do you like to watch it where the person's, using the shampoo, conditioner? Do you like to watch the whole styling process from beginning to end? That's going to be my question to my subscribers or people that view the video. Leave that comment below. See this on Facebook. Answer that question if you catch this part of the video, because I want to know. A lot of times I've already used the products that I will be sharing. Share my thoughts, reviews, the smell, the texture, and all that. But sometimes I feel it's redundant to keep showing, washing, condition, just putting. And because I'm not I'm not a great styler, I basically just do a lot of either roller sets, rod sets. From time to time, I'll do twist outs. My styling is basically going to be the same. So let me know below, or if this is on Facebook or however you view this video, share in your comments below and let me know when you watch product reviews, because this is a product review vlog channel, whatever I decide to do channel at the time, but this is predominantly a product review channel. Let me know when you watch product reviews, do you like to see the application of the product? Leave that below. Okay, now moving into the box. Okay, I'm going to share with you, because a few of the products, we did receive 5 total products. Out of the 5, I only used 3, so I'll start with the 3 I did use. I am going to start off by saying the box did not include a shampoo, so I did use and I love this brand. I was introduced to this brand by Curlbox at last year's Curlbox products. This is the V hydrating shampoo. I'll leave the link. I did review these products. Really love these products. I used the shampoo, and then what I followed up, they have a 3-minute restoring conditioner. It's infused with Brazilian Bacardi butter, olive oil, and castor seed oil. And I like the way it actually has on the packaging. It has all of the different hair types. Like you have your 2, your 3, your 4 for your hair types, tangles, and restores moisture. Nice sleek packaging. It has the flip top, so you flip it out. Extreme. Look at that. Look how creamy and buttery that is. Focus. See, it's a nice creamy. Look at that. Goes right into the skin. Very nice. And these products, they smell so good. It smells like a beautiful fragrance at a Saks. It reminds me when I was doing my, if you check out my Avita video, these have a really, really pretty soft floral scent. It puts me in a mind of shopping at a Macy's boutique or a Saks boutique in their fragrance department. Very, very nice, soft. Now let me read you some of the attributes. I'm going to read you some of the attributes of the 3-minute restoring conditioner. Okay, now with the 3-minute restoring conditioner, this weekly treatment is perfect for over-processed strands or anyone looking to raise the level of hydration. It's infused with Brazilian Bacardi Buddy and inflammatory illuminant with a high absorbent rate for brittle, dry hair. The treatment softens hairs in less than 3 minutes. My hair got really, really soft. I think I kept it in for about 30 minutes, just doing things around the house. But I really like this. I like the texture of it. Love the smell. I like how easy the packaging was. The flip top, easy to close. Love. I was really surprised because when I seen the product, I'm like, you know, a lot of these celebrities are coming out with their own natural hair care products. I mean, that's cool and all, but you know, do they really work? Really, really love this. Seen great results. Almost 3 minutes or 5 minutes in, my hair was baby doll soft, super soft. Then I followed up with their detangling leave-in conditioner infused with Brazilian Bacardi butter, coconut oil, and shea butter. Detangles, adds shine and hydration, and again, it has the hair typing, your 2s, your 3s, and your 4s on the bottom of that. Let me read you some of the attributes of this. Leave-in spray utilizes detangling marshmallow root, strengthening biotin and keratin, which helps repair hair damage. Use to detangle, refreshen, or add a spritz of moisture. Okay, I guess this one is okay. I don't know. I always feel kind of odd about spray leave-in conditioners, but it looks like this. Really, really thin. So I guess this would be a great aftermath, like a great spray-in. And again, these products smell so pretty. I mean, they just smell so good. So I used a generous amount of this, putting this through the hair while it was damp. And then I followed up with the Defining Curl Cream. It's infused with shea butter, rice oil, complex and healthy shine lilac. Hydrates and redefines curls. So this was the moisturizer. Let me read you some of the attributes of this. It comes in this jar, and this has a really different texture to it. It's a cream base. It's not as creamy as your, like as thick as your standard cream, and then again, it's not as custard or like gel like as your custard. So it's kind of like a mix between the two of them, but this is what the texture looks like. Very absorbed in the hair beautifully. And then I put my rod set. And I put a generous amount of this. Didn't use a lot because I used a generous amount of the leave-in. And then I followed up with Defining Curl Cream. Let me read you some of the attributes on the Curl Defining Cream. I'm really shocked, guys. I mean, I'm totally surprised. I was not giving her the benefit of the doubt. Love her as an actress, but wasn't too sure about the hair care. For the Defining Curl Cream, this defining styler helps achieve defined, touchable curls with rice oil, ackee palm oil, and shea butter. Really like this. Like the texture of this, and I felt like I just didn't have to use a lot based on the texture. Again, I said it's not as thick as your standard cream, but then it's not as custardy as like a gel. It's kind of like that middle stuff. Beautiful, beautiful scent. These products smell amazing. Okay, so I use this, and then next in the box we receive which I didn't use. These are the 2 products that I didn't use out of the 5. We received the Hydrating Curl Spray. The Hydrating Curl Spray, this exotic refresher spray, combines passion fruit seed oil and rice oil for intense moisture. It also infused with lilac leaf extract, which acts as an astringent to help tone, rebalance, and add shine back to strands. Used to extend time between wash days. Okay. So we have that, and I've decided since I'm not going to use this, I will add this to the Poshmark. If you're interested in giving this a try, this will be on my Poshmark. Link to my Poshmark closet will be down below in the description box if you're interested in trying this. I'm also going to post this as well. This is another product. This is a scalp soothing tonic. It infused with Bacardi butter, aloe, and peppermint. Again, it has for the 2, 3, and 4 hair types. And just because I won't use these products, I do have so many, and I have a lot of oils. I will be going into protective style soon, so be on the lookout for that video. But I have so many oils and things, and I'm just things that I think that I have duplicates of or I won't be using. Love the products so far, the 3 that I have tried, but I decided to put these last 2 on my Poshmark. But let me read to you some of the attributes. It looks like it has your standard, you know, I'm not going to open it, but it's opening, the little pointed opening to where you can really focus in on the scalp area. Probably great for braids, protective styles, wigs, or whatnot. So let me read you some of the attributes of this. Now for the Scalp Soothing Tonic. Soothes an itchy scalp and reduce inflammation with the aloe-based tonic that contains peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and rice oil complex. Use your nozzle tip to apply directly to your scalp while wearing protective style. So yeah, this would be great for protective style, but I have so many different oils and things like that, so I'd rather go ahead and put it on my Poshmark. So if you're interested in trying these 2 products, check them out. They will be posted to the below Poshmark, and I have other items for sale. If there's something else that you may be interested in, please check out my Poshmark. The final results of the hair, as I mentioned before, just a standard girl. I'm not a styling guru or anything like that. Love doing product reviews, love trying different things, in love with my natural hair and the health of my hair. Love trying different products. But these are the products that I've tried, and I love it. I was totally surprised. The hair is soft. It's really hydrated, very soft, smells amazing. I was shocked. I really didn't give her the benefit of the doubt. When I seen the box, I was like, I don't know. Because a lot of these celebrities are coming up with their hair care products, and I just be kind of suspect. Speaking about celebrity hair care products, I did try the Pattern Beauty hair care product by Tracy Ellis Ross. I'll leave that link below if you want to check that out. When I seen it, I was kind of suspect, but pleasantly surprised. I really enjoyed those products. I would definitely replenish. Well, I would definitely replenish on that 3-minute conditioner, because I did see a huge difference in the texture and the way that the hair felt. As always, if you've tried these products, let me know how they worked out for you. Again, be sure to check out my Poshmark, and I will see you in my next video. As always, thanks so much for watching.